Sometimes the simplest solutions produce the most significant results, and the US Air Force is close to implementing a very basic feature that could end up saving millions. The C-17 Globemaster III is a flexible aircraft used to carry troops and all types of cargo from point A to point B. It's also a massive plane and not particularly fuel efficient, but a small 3D printed device could help with that. The Air Force Operational Energy and Air Mobility Command said it's in the final phase of testing for microvane drag reduction technology, which is a thin blade measuring about 4 by 16 inches, or roughly the size of 2 Costco hot dogs. When about a dozen microvanes are glued to the rear of the C-17's exterior, it results in a 1% reduction in drag compared to a C-17 with no microvanes. That might not sound like much, but that reduction in drag also means a reduction in fuel consumption, and the Air Force expects it could save as much as $14 million, or roughly the cost of 9.3 million Costco hot dogs in annual fuel costs. The technology, which was developed in cooperation with the Air Force Research Laboratory, private industry, and the Air Force Lifecycle Management Center, helps reduce the aerodynamic drag caused by the upswept design of the C-17's cargo door section. It's already proven to work so well that partner countries like Canada and the United Kingdom want to add them to their C-17 fleets too. The Air Force has been flight testing the technology since 2023. That includes running it through air refueling and assault strip operations. The C-17 used in those tests has now become the first with permanent installation of microvanes. In all, 6 aircraft are currently modified for the Logistics Service Assessment, which the department said is the final step before microvanes are attached to the entire C-17 fleet. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.